Humans and animals have lived side by side for as long as humanity itself has existed. When humans first learned to light fire, animals were already around them. When humans learned farming, animals became their companions. When cities were built, animals still remained a part of human life in one form or another. This relationship has always existed without words. Through feelings. Through movements. Through eye contact, sounds, and silence. A dog can sense the sadness of its owner. A horse can feel the fear of its rider. A cat knows when to come close and when to stay away. But the question is this understanding enough? And the bigger question is, will humans and animals truly be able to understand each other in the future? Today, humans and animals understand each other only partially, not completely. Animals understand humans through tone of voice, intensity of sound, body language, facial expressions, hormones, and scent. From these signals, animals can sense whether a human is happy, angry, afraid, or calm. That is why dogs are used in police work and rescue missions. Horses are used in therapy. Dolphins help in mental and emotional healing. These are all scientifically proven facts. Humans, on the other hand, understand animals by observing their behavior, listening to their sounds, and watching the movement of their tails, ears, and eyes. But this understanding is based on guesswork, not true translation. The real problem is not that animals cannot speak. The real problem is that animal communication is completely different from human language. Human language is based on words, grammar, and sentences. Animal communication is based on frequencies, sound waves, body language, and chemical signals. We can hear each other, but we cannot truly understand each other. This is where things become interesting. Today, several scientific projects are working on understanding animal communication using artificial intelligence. The CETI project is trying to decode the sounds of whales through AI. The Earth Species Project aims to decode animal languages altogether. AI collects millions of sound samples and tries to identify which sounds represent danger, happiness, invitation, or loneliness. This is something no human could ever do alone. The true power of AI lies in its ability to analyze millions of data points within seconds, without getting tired. For example, if a dog makes a specific sound 10,000 times, and each time that sound is followed by hunger, loneliness, or fear, AI can slowly learn the meaning of that sound. The same method is being tested on birds, wolves, elephants, and dolphins. Now imagine a future device, a small wearable tool placed on an animal's collar or body. It records the animal's sounds, heart rate, and movements, analyzes them through AI, and then tells the human through a screen or voice. I am scared. I am in pain. I am happy. In the same way, human emotions and voice could also be translated and shared with animals. This is no longer science fiction. It is becoming a scientific possibility. Is this really possible? The honest answer is, yes, partially. A complete translation may never be possible. Animals do not think in abstract ideas. They do not philosophize about the past or future. Their communication is based on living in the moment, immediate needs, and raw emotion. AI can translate emotions into words, but animals will never become humans. This technology raises serious ethical questions, especially important in Europe. If we begin to understand animals, will we stop exploiting them? Will we stop hunting them? Will animals be given rights? If a cow could say, I am afraid, would humans still be able to ignore it? This is what makes this technology both dangerous and revolutionary. More than changing animals, this technology will change humans. When humans can hear an animal's fear and understand its happiness, humans may become less cruel, more responsible, and more humble. Now imagine the year 2050. A child is sitting with a dog. In the child's hand is a small device. The dog makes a sound, and the device says, I want you to come and play with me. The child smiles. This moment will not stop wars. It will not change the world overnight. But it will change the relationship between humans and nature. Humans and animals may never be the same, but if we can understand each other a little better and listen to each other's pain, that alone will be true progress. The real question is not, will animals speak human language? The real question is, will humans learn how to listen? If humans and animals can talk in the future, perhaps the very first word we will hear will be, "Thank you."